worth, I think, maybe about $1,500 at the time after an initial crash. And I said, no, look, it's been very volatile, it crashed already, probably there's nothing there. But I gave them as a task to complete the course, to present to me data of Bitcoin, because it was the only one like this. And they were very, optimistic, and I was still not convinced, right? Although I gave them good grades, I think, for the effort. And I guess now some of these much younger than me people are very wealthy, and I still need to go to my 9 to 6 job at the Astana financial services, right? So, yeah, it is lucky to be here, and even to add more to that, it's my second coming to AFSA, because I was here initially for a brief stint back in 2020. And returning to the second part of the question, the AFSA journey in digital finance, I joined here as a director of strategy for a few months, and then the pandemic made that short. But even back at the time, there was already a very well functioning, I think, sandbox, the FinTech Lab, which still exists to this day, and it was established together with the establishment of the AFC, and it was stationed at the regulator AFSA, which impressed me greatly, because again, back 4 or 5 years ago, it was already an established practice to get innovation cards or sandboxes, but not so well developed in many markets. And at AFSA, here in AFC, already there was a functioning fintech sandbox with quite a few participants there. So I have to say that for AFSA and for the AFC, the digital asset mindset, financial asset mindset, was embedded, I think, from the early days, from the very setup of the whole ecosystem that we have here. And it's very good that it was done, right? The FinTech Lab, I think, was the first one in Central Asia, since 2018 until today.